do she do? I do everything. I move everything.
I am not looking for clout, no. I knew I would figure it out. I knew. I took the millionaire route, running up.
Hey guys, today is part 3 of the Y2K birthday series. I'm so excited for this because I wanted to do some DIYs for this birthday to tie in to the theme and also to have props at the party, which you'll see later on in the series. And I got this photo album at Walmart. And I was like, you know what? Instead of having just a plain little photo album, let's turn this into something cute, something pop culture. And what's better than the burn book? Like, you know, and to the people who don't know what this is from the movie Mean Girls, which was based in the early 2000s, the Y2K era. And of course, they made a burn book. Basically, it was a mean book, okay? You put everything about how you felt about somebody in the book.
I remember this.
Ugh, I haven't looked at that in forever.
Here, check it out, Katie. It's our burn book. So we cut out girls' pictures from the yearbook, and then we wrote comments.
But we're not going to do that. We're going to put bomb-ass pictures and memories and just turn this into something super cute. So I'm really just starting off by painting it. It came black. It was probably only like $3 at Walmart. And I'm just going to paint it completely pink. I also am going to paint on all the designs, and I'm really just going to mimic the look of the burn book. So you just continue to watch if you want to see how I did this and if you also want to try it. So I did end up doing 2 coats of this just to get it super thick, and I did let it dry in between coats. And before I actually started drawing here, I did let it dry for a whole 24 hours just to make sure it was good to go, and it was easy to write on with pencil. And right now I'm just stenciling out. I did this all by hand. It wasn't really my original plan. I thought I was gonna like trace some stuff out, or like if you don't know how to paint or if you don't know how to draw, instead of doing what I did, which is hand painting it, you really could just get some magazines or actually just print the actual burn book off, print it off, and just cut out the letters and paste it down, because towards the end you'll see what I did to make sure everything stayed in place. But you know, if you're into painting and if you want to see how I did mine, just keep watching. I hand drew all of this. And while I was doing it, I was actually looking at a picture of the burn book. I really wanted to make it look as close as possible. So I wanted to keep the letters a little bit bigger, but I didn't have a lot of space like the original burn book. I just put some stuff in random places. And as you can see, I'm using this Sharpie that got two sides. One side is like the regular size Sharpie. The other side is a very fine tip point. So I'm just going in between the two, making some skinny scrabbles, and then using the other thick side to like thicken it up. And just doing it kind of randomly. I'm putting little hearts here and there because hearts are my favorite shape. Duh. My name is Priska Love. So I'm always repping love every time. And you can really just do what you want to do if you're going to do this. Just put how you want to put it and make it your own. We're gonna move on to this part, which is super fun. I have my NYX Monte Carlo lipstick, and I also use this Milani Devotion red lipstick to put on my lips, and I'm just gonna kiss the book, you know what I'm saying? Now I did mess up. Like, look at that. My lips are a little bit too big for this, for the space that I left. I tried to practice and it still was too big, so I literally had to go back and fix this. All I did was wipe off the lipstick, as you'll see, and I had to repaint the letters white in the parts that got red, and I just, boom, did the lipstick again. It was kind of hard because I really didn't have a lot of space, but I kind of just painted around the areas that were messed up. And here I am kissing the book, kissing the back of the book, just putting all like little lipstick marks. And this is really almost it, guys. Like, it was super fun, super easy, and it looks just like it. Like, look, like crazy. And that's the inside of the photo album and the back of it. And I even put like little pencil marks on the back if you didn't see that part, and I just smudged it to make it look good. Now, because of the smudge pencil and the Sharpie, I'm going to use Mod Podge to cover the entire book. It's going to leave a really nice shiny finish, and it dries super, super quick. Probably let it dry over a day as well, because I mean, I didn't need that at that point. And I just did one really thick layer of it, and look at the finish, guys. Oh my gosh, so cool. It turned out perfect. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. You already know what to do.